Welcome to another tutorial in how to design with Canva. Now we're going to try and design something really simple in Canva. So again, we're going to come to templates, and then from over here we're just going to directly search from over here the kind of templates that we want. So I want a Valentine's card. And then from over here you can see the many different templates that we have over here. And as you've noticed, some are free like this ones and some are paid for, so you have to upgrade to the pro version of Canva in order to access them. So I'll select this one. So you can see this one is free, and once you've selected it, you'll see it will give you the measurements and then the name of the person who created it, and then you can choose to customize this template. And once you click on that, it will open a new tab for you, and from here you're able to edit your image. So come over here. This is not the image. If you like to use a different image, let's say you want to wish Valentine's to your partner, what you'll do is, I want to remove this image, so just click on delete image, and then I'll come to upload, and then I can upload an image. So this is an image I uploaded it before, but let me show you how to do it. So you come over here to wherever you have your image, select it, click and drag, and just place it here. Now as you can see, it's been uploaded, and now we have it over here, but they are exact replicas. So that's how you simply upload your images to Canva. So I'll select on it. If you click on it, it'll just be placed directly on your image, and then I just clicked and dragged to place it inside the frame. So let's just delete that. Let's do that again. So just click on the image that you've uploaded, and then you just click and drag it over the frame like so. Now I want to center mine a little bit, so what I'll do is I'll double click on the image, and then I'll be able to reposition it like so. Double click, and it's set. Now as you can see, we've successfully added the photo in the frame, and now we can get to working on the icons that we have. So you can add a little bit more icons if you want to, and you can actually change the text if you want to, but I want to pretty much leave it as it is for now. But just in case you like to add icons, you just come under elements, and then you search directly what you want. So let's say I'm searching for heart icons. I hit enter, and then we have this over here, and then you can choose from this. So we have graphics and we have photos. Let's see the photos. You can see most of them are paid for, these ones, but others are free. And to add them, it's just easy. You just click on it, and then it will pop up, and then all you have to do is to resize it and then place it wherever you want it to be. So that's how you go ahead and add an icon, but currently I don't need an icon here, so I'll just delete that. Maybe we can add a bunny, so let's search bunnies, cute bunnies. Now you can choose to add a photo or graphics. So right now I want graphics. Let's find a free cute bunny we can use. You can see most require you to have upgraded to the pro version, but we have others that you can access for free. We have animated ones like this one. This one looks cute, so just click on that. Put it there, click on duplicate, and there we go. We've created a simple Valentine's Day card in Canva. So just go ahead and practice at your own time, and then see how that will work out for you.